Introducing the 2006 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, automatic temperature control, power moonroof, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.